Welcome to Product Critique. In this video, we're bringing you the best automatic skeleton watch with a leather strap that you can find today, the Bulova Men's Classic Sutton 4-hand automatic watch. Let's dive into the details of why this timepiece stands out and why it could be your next elegant wrist companion. Right from the first glance, the design makes a bold yet refined statement. This watch features an open aperture skeleton dial that showcases its automatic movement in motion, a beautiful mechanical heartbeat that's powered by the natural motion of your wrist. No batteries required. This is self-winding engineering at its finest, and Bulova delivers it with flair. The case is crafted from stainless steel in a silver tone finish that contrasts elegantly with the rich brown crocodile embossed leather strap. That leather isn't just stylish, it's supple, comfortable, and securely holds the 42mm case on your wrist. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or going business casual, it transitions effortlessly across styles. The dial is a deep brown that matches the strap, keeping the aesthetic cohesive. You'll notice the 4-hand configuration right away. It includes an hour hand, minute hand, a small seconds subdial, and a 24-hour time indicator. Each hand is luminous. Yes, it glows in the dark, so time reading at night or in dim environments is no issue. Covering the dial is a double-curved mineral crystal. It's not just there for protection, it also adds a subtle dome effect that plays with light and depth. It's scratch-resistant and enhances the visibility of the moving parts inside. Flip the watch over, and you're greeted by an exhibition case back. This transparent window allows you to admire the intricate self-winding mechanism from both sides. In terms of specs, the watch is water-resistant up to 30 meters. While it's not made for deep dives or swimming, it's safe from splashes or brief immersion, perfect for daily wear. And if you're wondering about durability, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty, showing Bulova's confidence in its craftsmanship. But what really makes this timepiece shine is the balance it strikes between mechanical complexity and wearable sophistication. You're not just getting a functional watch, you're wearing a piece of horological art. It's available in multiple variations, but the brown strap and dial version featured here blends warmth and metallic brilliance in a way that feels timeless. The color pairing is rich, earthy, and masculine, without going overboard. And if you're thinking about gifting it or adding it to your collection, Amazon currently offers it at a significant discount, up to 50% off, making it not just a beautiful watch, but also a smart buy. So, to wrap it up, the Bulova Classic Sutton automatic watch is a winning blend of craftsmanship, elegance, and everyday functionality. It's the best automatic skeleton watch with a leather strap on the market today, and it truly earns that title. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more honest takes on stylish gear, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time.